2021 Chevy Silverado 4-cylinder turbo. It has a stock cat all the way up there. Comes into a flex pipe, single exhaust, and what we did is a muffler delete in the center, and then a resonator delete. And we kept his stock tip. So we straight piped it from the cat back on this 4-cylinder turbo Chevy Silverado. Right there, custom. There's the muffler we cut off, that big boy right there. And you always want to make sure you cut off these little valves because they rattle when you don't. And the resonator right there. So as always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Wow, the turbo still takes a lot of weight. Sound decibels? Hit 102. It's a cool sound. I like that. Back it up. Clean truck. It's got carbon fiber decals. Nicely done all around. Nice wheels. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '21 Chevy Silverado. Nice. Pretty loud.